It's time to admit and accept that even the best app and phone alarm may not be enough for some to get out of bed. And that's okay, plenty of people struggle with waking up. Here is what we found in our search for the most effective alarms for heavy sleepers. Number 1. Sonic Bomb Dual Extra Loud Alarm Clock. If the Sonic Bomb doesn't wake you, you might need to talk to a doctor. Assuming you could ever wake up enough to go see a doctor. The alarm rings at a pounding 113 dB max. That's just as loud as a rock concert, though volume/duration are adjustable if you're not quite ready for an arena level alert. If you're looking for a relaxing sunrise alarm, this is not it. Red strobes nail in the point that you need to wake up. If you need another layer of rousing, the Sonic Bomb comes with a bed shaker that can be placed between your mattress and box spring or under a pillow for some classic shake till awake. And trust us, the vibrations are intense and difficult to sleep through. You can even record a personalized message to your sleepy morning self to wake up. An adjustable display dimmer makes it so you sleep soundly when the lights are off, since excess light can make it harder to sleep. If you are looking for a heavy-duty alarm clock that combines multiple ways to wake up, this is it. Number 2. Roxicosly Vibrating Alarm Clock. I personally have very clear memories of my mom walking into my room to shake me awake. But I am a grown adult who lives 4 hours away from her childhood home, so I can no longer rely on a parent to wake me up. The Roxicosly Vibrating Alarm Clock can be your parental stand-in if you are in the same boat. Simply place the disc-like vibrating bed shaker between your mattress and box spring or under your pillow, set your alarm, and enter a borderline coma. You can choose between bed shaker, an alarm, or a combo to wake you from your deep sleep. And the vibrating disc has a 71-inch cord, meaning you have enough room to place the alarm clock far enough to walk to turn it off. All that's missing from this alarm clock is a warm hug and scrambling to find a Mother's Day card. Number 3. CLOCKY Alarm Clock. Much like McGruff the crime dog, sometimes you need a cartoon character to motivate you. Meet CLOCKY, a crazy little guy who entered this world in 2006 thanks to Gauri Nanda, who was attending MIT at the time. Her plight is similar to many heavy sleepers, snoozing too many times, sleeping through alarms, missing classes. You're only allowed to snooze once with this alarm clock with wheels. If you don't shut him off before shutdown, he will leap up to 3 feet from your nightstand and roll away, leaving you to catch him. This gets you out of bed and will keep you out of bed. If you are especially not a morning person and waking you up is like poking a sleeping bear, you can disable CLOCKY's wheels and use it like a regular alarm clock so you don't smash it into the wall out of anger when it rolls away. This rolling alarm clock is durable, but don't push his limits, or yours. Number 4. Hatch Restore 2 Alarm Clock. I'm the kind of person who scares easily, meaning a loud noise rousing me out of slumber is not ideal. I also can't sleep if it's too light outside, but I can't wake up without light. Enter the Hatch Restore 2, a sunrise alarm clock that uses a very bright light and nature sounds over loud noise and vibration to wake you up. Unlike the lofty smart alarm clock which requires a separate lamp for true sunrise alarm clock capabilities, the Hatch Restore 2 can be used as a lamp and sound machine. I love the large rest and rise buttons. The recessed rest button kicks off your wind down routine, which can also be scheduled in-app to happen automatically, while the raised rise button turns off the alarm. You can set mood lighting and play some white noise when you're already risen or not quite ready to rest. The hatch is also the most stylish thing to grace my nightstand. The cloth elements on the face and back give some texture and luxurious tactility, and I love that it comes in colors other than basic black. I'm sporting putty, and off-white, but the other 2 colors are just as pretty. Latte is a warm khaki color, and slate is a cool blue-green. Hatch makes it simple with a toggle on the side if I want to turn off all alarms. Number 5. Peakeep Twin Bell Alarm Clock. Being a heavy sleeper is painted in not the best light. The slander must stop. Those who can't wake up deserve to have some aesthetic representation. Think nightcap, dressing gown, honk shoe, me my sleepy time tea vibes. Enter the Peakeep twin bell alarm clock. This alarm clock doesn't use vibration to get things going, just the power of a loud bell and the heightened stakes of not having a snooze button. Setting the alarm is just a knob turn away. The hands glow gently in the dark, and there's no ticking for a peaceful sleep. If you really need to check the time at night, just hold the button on the back for a temporary light. It's cute, it's cheap, and it's loud.